Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. You're now rocking to the sounds and vibrations of your boy, DONKILAM. Also known as Malik Kilam, and as always, prosperity is your divine birthright. Peace and love. How's everybody feeling today? I'm going to bring some quick game to everybody. Man. So I'm not a licensed attorney or tax expert. I do this for educational and informational purposes only. It's your boy, DONKILAM. So this is just quick for Father's Day. Give y'all some quick game. Hope y'all can overstand what I'm about to drop to you. So there's different ways and different remedies to go about skinning this cat here, getting out of child support, okay? People have to understand and overstand and really have a comprehension of what status correction is, civil leader mortus, and that your name is a business, all right? And trustee training is amalgamation. You've converted this fictitious juristic person with the natural person, which is you. The natural person doesn't need a birth certificate. The natural person doesn't need an ID or a social security card. These are things to track you and tag you as their property. These are private contracts with adhesion contracts, making your body the surety ship as the trustee and beneficiary. So the first thing you're going to want to do is understand that a parent is a pair who rents. A parent is a pair who rents. Child or children's property of the corporation. So when you're dealing with these entities, if they're ever talking to you in the flesh, you're going to want to say you're the father. You're going to want to say you're the mother. You're going to want to say that's your daughter. You're going to want to say that's your son. You want to stay away from the franchise words such as parent and children. These are franchise words, okay? Hope that everybody's following along. It starts with the language. These are franchise words, okay? Next, wherever the jurisdiction that's putting you on child support, you're going to want to make your name a business. I like to use LLCs, okay? First, middle, last name, LLC. You want to make the name a business. Now, when you want to go into private and do private transactions or private things, you want to set it up a different way. But starting it off, just make yourself a manager, okay? Make yourself a manager or a single member. It's okay starting off just for this process. But at the end of the day, you want a private holding company to be the single member of your name, or a faith-based organization or unincorporated association. You want these to be the members or the managers of your name and your family legacies, okay? Next, you're going to want to make your children's name a DBA, doing business as, or fictitious name, owned by your name that's an LLC. So, your government name, John Doe LLC, doing business as your child's name, LLC. So Little John Doe, fictitious name. We're doing business as a child. The father can't do business as a child. That's an extension of the father. You got to understand, only a person can be committed of a crime or be tried in these courtrooms. Per son means one son. In this system, it is ecclesiastical, which means spiritual, canon law. That's why they wear the robes. It's all spiritual. It's like church. You can only be saved through the father, so only a person can be committed of a crime. I hope this makes sense. So make your name a business and make a fictitious name for your children's name, owned by your name. That's a business. So now your name is a business, and now you own your children's name as well. It's whatever in the public sector. It's that simple, all right? And then you push your paperwork. Whatever paperwork you have to enforce your claims. You can make your name, put a lien against the child's name. That's a UCC1 to prove that intellectual property, first in line, first in time. Nobody can put a claim on that name. You can trademark the names. You can trademark the signatures. You can trademark the thumbprints. You need to make sure you prove that anything that's dealing with the family and the public belongs to the family, all right? It's just trusteeship. That's all it is. It's trusteeship, suretyship. And the public trusteeship is suretyship. As a trustee, you will be held liable as surety in the public and its public system. Now, I hope that's the game. I gave it to you quick as possible. If you want to learn more, text Private Life to 702-200-4900. Text Private Life to 702-200-4900. 4900, or go to school.com/DonKilam. That's SKOOL.com/DONKILAM. There I give away the templates and everything. Let me know that made sense. Drop a 100 fire emoji. You know, I'm not answering questions. Book a consult. I'm not here to answer your fucking questions. See, this is private knowledge for informed families. If your family didn't teach you this, then what am I supposed to do? I'm not your daddy. People are already asking questions. It's crazy. Ask Google, motherfucker. I mean, we got some 100s. We got some fire emojis. I'm just making sure I did my job. Is don't use the word parents and don't use the word children when dealing with them in the flesh. Parent and children are franchise words. It's all about the language. I appreciate y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all's day. Much peace and love.